So in this video, I'll be speed running through how I make and launch my Shopify stores to 10K a day live, just like the store you see right here, 12.3K in revenue. And I'll be showing you guys exactly what I do when I want to launch a Shopify store. And it's gonna be step by step. So if you're a complete beginner, you can just go ahead and copy my exact steps. And I'll be showing you how I build my stores, edit my creatives, as well as launch them on Facebook ads all the way to 10K a day. And I guarantee you, by the end of this video, you'll understand how to be launching your own Shopify stores, knowing you're doing the right thing. And this is the same speed run that my students that hit 10K a day plus are doing, including myself. As you can see on my screen right now, we're currently doing 12.3K a day. And by the way, I do have a one-on-one program where I do help people scale to 40 to 60K days. There's a link down below if you want to book a call with me to enter, but I'll explain more of that later on. So when I start making my Shopify websites, I like to go ahead and make it a branded Shopify store, just like these guys right here called Slumbler. Now this pillow is actually on AliExpress. So as you can see on AliExpress, it's selling for $23.12. But if you go on their website, they're able to go ahead and sell it for $64. And it's a huge upcharge because they're able to convince the customers that they're a legit brand. And this website helps convey that this pillow is going to solve a lot of their problems. Contour support that adapts to your posture. It relieves neck and back pain, enhances sleep quality. As you can see, sleep better and wake up happy right here. And their website right here looks really, really good. It looks like a real brand. As you can see, they have a bunch of people on this website right here that looks like they're having awesome sleep. And scrolling down, they have a bunch of these images right here that look really, really branded. And I try to convince people that they're a legit brand. And they're doing a pretty good job at it. They even have testimonials right here of people using their products. As you can see, they have watermarks all over it. So this looks like a legit brand that a lot of people are using. But as you can see on AliExpress, their product is on there for $23.12. And that's exactly what we want to go ahead and do, create an actual brand around a dropshipping products. So in order for us to go ahead and make a branded Shopify store like Slumber did, all you need to do is use this tool right here called Launch Your Store. And this tool makes it super easy for us to go ahead and make a store. So easy, in fact, that it goes ahead and copies a store in minutes. And all you need is the base product URL. So we're gonna go to Slumber right here. We're gonna go ahead and copy the website, right click, copy, go back to Launch Your Store and paste it onto here. Now, the next thing you want to do is enter your product name. Now, I already asked ChatGPT what should I name this products, and it gave me a couple of options, and my favorite one is Cloudora. Now, I like this because it seems like a brandable name for our product, but it also insinuates that our pillow is like a cloud. I'm going to name it the Pillow 2.0, so it seems like we upgrade the original pillow to Cloudora Pillow 2.0. Now I'm going to click copy store right here. By the way, if you want to use this tool, the link should be down below. And in order to continue, we want to go ahead and click continue with Google and log into our Gmail account. And once you're done, you're gonna go ahead and wait for the product data to arrive. But like I said, if you want to go ahead and use and launch your store and you want to make a website really quickly and copy a competitor's website, just go to the link down below. So as you can see, the store is now complete. It asks you to choose a product image. I'm just gonna go ahead and choose this one for now. Click continue, and then go ahead and ask you add more images to your site. Now I'm gonna click all these right here, but you don't have to go ahead and use your competitors' images. I'll tell you how to go ahead and recreate them later on. But for now, if you want to use competitors' images, click some images right here and go ahead and click continue. And once you click continue, obviously you're gonna need a Shopify account in order to go ahead and create a Shopify store. So go ahead and click create Shopify account. We're gonna go ahead and write an email address in right here. Start free trial. Now, once you run your email in, you want to go ahead and click skip customized setup right. And once you skip the customized setup, you might end up on a dashboard page right here. All you need to do is go ahead and click select plan. And once you're on this page, I want to go ahead and choose the basic plan right here because that's all we need. We don't necessarily need the grow plan or the advanced plan just yet. Go ahead and click basic right here. And now we're going to go ahead and fill in our credit card, as you can see right here. And all you need to do is only pay $1 for the next 3 months for Shopify. And obviously you need Shopify to create a Shopify account. So you want to go ahead and take advantage of today's trial. So once you're done, you want to go ahead and click subscribe right here. And once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and click add later, go back to launch your store up here and keep clicking next because we really want to do all these instructions right here and click continue. Now, the next thing they're going to need from you is your store URL. So go back to Shopify right here, copy that, go back into launch your store, right click, click paste, click submit. Now, the next thing you need to do is select the plan, but we already did that, so you don't got to do that. Go ahead and click I already have a plan. The next thing you have to do is go ahead and connect an app, so go ahead and do that. Click install right here. And you want to go ahead and click approve right here. You do have a 3-day free trial, so definitely go ahead and take advantage of that free trial. Click approve. Now, once you're done installing the app, you want to go back to launch your store right here. keep clicking next. You already followed all the instructions, and now it's time for you to go ahead and choose what version of the store you want to use. There's version 1, version 2, and version 3. Now, personally, I'm gonna go ahead and choose version 2 for this product, but you can choose any version you like. I'm gonna go ahead and choose version 2 for this product, and then I wanna go ahead and choose a preset color blue right here and click continue. If you wanna use a custom color, click here and just go ahead and use a custom color if you want to. But personally, I'm gonna go ahead and click blue right here and click continue. After that, you have to go ahead and set up permissions so they can go ahead and actually copy the website into your Shopify store. So go ahead and click set up permissions. Click allow custom app development right here. Click it again right here. Now you wanna go ahead and click create an app. And for the app name, you can name it whatever you want, but I'm gonna go ahead and name it launch your store. Go ahead and click create app down here. And once you've done that, you wanna go ahead and click configure admin API scopes here. And all you need to do once you're on this page, go ahead and click off every single permission right here and scroll all the way down and keep scrolling until you're at the end. So once I'm done with that, I'll let you guys know. But like I said, keep scrolling down because there's a bunch of permissions that you have to go ahead and check off. All right, so here are the last permission settings you have to do. As you can see, there's no permissions over here. So scroll all the way back up, click save up here. And once you click save, you want to go to the API credential setting right here, click install app. And once you click install app again, you want to go ahead and copy your token access. So click reveal token once right here, click this copy button. And now you want to go back to launch your store and keep clicking next right here. There's a bunch of information that we already did before, so you don't have to worry about it. And once you keep clicking next, it's going to ask you for your access tokens. So go ahead and click launch my store. Now, once you do that, it's going to add the product. It's going to go ahead and add all the images from your competitor, as well as all the copywriting. So you have basically a done store for you already, but we are going to edit it a little bit to make it look a little nicer and a little bit more branded. But we'll wait till the final result to show up. But this is how you literally speed run a Shopify store and create it in like 5 minutes. All right, the store is complete. It says your Shopify store is ready. So go ahead and click this button right here, view my store. All right, here's our store right here. It looks really, really branded already. As you can see, I already put all the images up for us. It even went ahead and wrote the copywriting for us. As you can see right here, see the Cloudora magic in action. Everything's already filled out for you. As you can see, transform your sleep with us. Everything's already filled out. Sleep transforms that matter. Everything is literally done for you already. Invest in your comfort today. But what we can go ahead and do is make this even more branded than it is already, because it's currently using our competitor's product list. You can see right here, it still says Slumber. And if you scroll down, all these images are from a competitor that's already branded, but we can go ahead and recreate this really quickly with AI. So let me go ahead and show you how. By the way, when you start your Shopify store, you're going to need a domain name, or else it's going to end up saying something like DWFZ91QD myshopify.com, which doesn't help when trying to sell to customers. No customer is ever going to remember that name. So what if instead it was like a simple short name like Cloudora.store? It'd be pretty obvious what the website is all about, and that's what .store does for you. It makes it clear that you're an online store selling something. A .store domain acts like a big neon sign that says store, letting people know immediately that they're entering an online store where they can go ahead and buy from. Even Mr. Beast, Ronaldo, Michelle Obama, and a million others are on board. In fact, Mr. Beast switched from a .com domain to a .store domain because, well, it helps him stand out as an online store. But that's not it. The word store is simple, and people love using it when they're searching to buy stuff on Google. In a year-long independent study, data clearly shows that online stores on a .store domain has seen increases up to 87% more customers visiting their stores organically, and even up to 12% less on CPA on ads. It's pretty clear to say it really pays to be on a .store domain. Now, you can literally go ahead and get this awesome deal from anywhere. You can get on Shopify, Namecheap, GoDaddy, wherever you'd like. But if you get it right now, they're running a special deal for my viewers where you can go ahead and get a domain name for just 99 cents for the first year. And all you need to do is go to the link down below and use my code AndrewStore to get your first domain for just 99 cents. So as you can go ahead and see, I'm going to use Cloudora pillow.store. It looks really, really brandable. Go ahead and click search right here. It is going to be available, as you can see right here. It says $29, but with my coupon code AndrewStore, we're going to make it 99 cents. So go ahead and click add to cart and click proceed. Now, once you're on this page, go ahead and put the coupon code in AndrewStore and click apply. As you can see, $29 is now 99 cents for the first year. Now, there is privacy protection. I do recommend it. And if you do go ahead and add privacy protection, it will cost a couple more dollars, but go ahead and click place order now. So once you go ahead and buy your .store domain, you're going to end up on this page right here. We're going to go ahead and click manage your domain right here. And once you click manage, you want to go ahead and click DNS right here. Go back into your Shopify store, and you actually want to go ahead and choose domains right here. And once you click that, you want to click connect existing domain and write in your domain. So for me, pillow.store. Go ahead and click next. And the next thing it's going to go ahead and ask you to do is update your DNS settings. So as you can see right here, we're going to do exactly that. Type A, name is at, and the update is going to be 23.227.38.65. Go ahead and copy this right here. Go back to .store domains, click DNS records, add an A record right here, add a new record, select record type, A record, host name is at, and then go ahead and paste whatever Shopify told you to paste, and then go ahead and click save. So that's the first step. It's gonna go ahead and click done. Go back to Shopify right here. The next one's gonna be a C name, and the next one's gonna be www. Go ahead and click copy here. Go back up here, click add new record, click record type, and it'll C name, www. Go ahead and paste it from Shopify. Go ahead and click save, and then go ahead and click done. Now, once those are updated, go back to Shopify. This might take like 10 minutes or so, but you want to go ahead and click I updated DNS records. Now, obviously, I'm not gonna go ahead and wait 10 minutes around, so we're going to go ahead and go to the next step, but this should be go ahead and finish within the next 10 minutes. So going back to our store editor, we're gonna go ahead and make this look a lot better. Number one, if you go to Slumblr's website, they have a bundle deal right here. As you can see, if you get one for $64, you get two for only $115, and you get four for $218. We're gonna do exactly that, and how to have a bundles app is how we can go ahead and install one. So go back to Shopify, click exit right here. Now search up on the top, Prime Bundles. And once you search that up, click it here, click install when you're here. Click install again. And with Prime Bundles, you do have a 14-day free trial, so go ahead and click approve. All right, now you want to go ahead and add your first bundle, so click add new bundle right here and click the design. Now for me, I like this one right here, so I'm gonna choose this one, click create. And once you're here, you want to go ahead and click design right here and choose a color, a preset color if you like. I'm gonna go ahead and choose blue right here. Now you want to go back into bundles and you want to upload some photos. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So in order for us to get images for our single, dual, and trio, we're going to need to get a product image of our product only. And in order to do that, you want to go right here, right click, duplicate. Now, once you open another Shopify tab, you want to go ahead and click Files or write Files in here. Click Files right here and find an image that has your product only. So for example, this one right here. Now, obviously this has a background. This has the competitor's website right here, my competitor's logo right here. So you want to go ahead and click Color Background. And it's going to go ahead and analyze the image, and it's going to go ahead and choose your product only. And if it doesn't, you want to go ahead and click Choose Subject down here, and then click on your product only. Now, once it does that, you want to go ahead and click Apply. Now, once it chooses your product, you can go ahead and click Apply right here, and it should go ahead and show you your product only. Or in this case, you want to right click and click Save Image As, and save it to your computer. And you go back to Prime Bundles right here, click this, and upload your image of your product. As you can see, there's a single. Now, in order to do a dual or a trio, we can go ahead and use ChatGPT. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly how I'm gonna do that right now. So as you can see, I'm on ChatGPT. If you don't have a ChatGPT account, the link should be down below. But basically, I upload the photo to ChatGPT and I said, can you make a bundle photo of two of these products? I went ahead and did that, but I also went ahead and told it make a transparent background, and the image is created. And then I went and asked it, can you make a bundle photo of three of these? And it made it into a transparent background as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and download both of these right now. And once you've downloaded them, you go ahead and click this right here and actually upload them. So as you can see, there's two of them now, a 2-pack and trio. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this one as well. And it's gonna be a 3-pack. And we're basically all set and done. Click save. And we'll go ahead and click our view. As you can see, the update was successful. So click online store again. And we're gonna go ahead and click customize right here. Click catalog, click our product right here. And as you can see, the bundle is actually not available yet, but in order to fix that, you want to go to app embeds and turn on Prime Bundles buy buttons, as well as the home page embedded, and click back into your product right here. And as you can see, our bundle should be right here. And it actually didn't show up, but what you have to do is click app embeds and click this right here, click select product, select our product. It's the same right here, click this here, click select product, click our products, and then it should go ahead and show up. Click save really quickly, and then go ahead and click Cloudora Pillow, and it should go ahead and show up right here. All right, another thing you have to do is go ahead and click products right here, click on your product, and you actually have to go ahead and add a price. I forgot to do that, so go ahead and click add a price. And I put $79, and I put the compare price at 100. Now you want to go ahead and do that, and go ahead and click save up here. And once you're done, you can go ahead and click preview, and you're gonna see the bundle option go ahead and show up right here. Single, dual, trio. Just like a competitor's website, as you can see, single, trio, and double. And this is gonna go ahead and help you convert so much more because people can go ahead and buy the dual or trio because it gives them such a huge discount. Going back to our Shopify store, we're going to edit all these images because it says our competitor's logo right here, and we want to remake them for ourselves, and we don't want to get copyright. So the first thing I went ahead and did was download this image right here. If you don't know how to download an image, go to your store files right here, click exit, and you can go ahead and download any of these images by clicking onto it right here and clicking the download button on the top right. So go ahead and download all the images for your store onto your computer. But what I did was I first made a logo, as you can see right here, created text, only logo, Cloudora, and lights blue, and made a logo for me. But I wanted to make it transparent, so I said make it transparent background on ChatGPT, and I went ahead and downloaded this logo right here. And once you do that, I basically uploaded my competitor's image right here, and I said identify and remember the photography style of this photo. And I basically wrote, yes, make an image using using that style with this logo and this product. So I uploaded my product and my logo, as you can see, and made an image right here. No more neck pain, support for better sleep. And it's my product right here with my own logo. So go ahead and click download here. Now, once you downloaded that, you want to go back to the product page right here, click into your product again, and you want to go ahead and click add media right here. Click add media again. Go ahead and upload the ChatGPT image that you just did already. And it should be your own image, as you can see. And go ahead and click done right here. Now you can go ahead and remove your competitor's image right here. Click this, click remove. As you can see, our image is now on the website. Now, the next thing you want to do is actually add some packaging with your product. So I went to ChatGPT. I upload my competitor's image right here. It says identify the photography style of this photo. And I told ChatGPT to go ahead and do it. And I click yes. Premium packaging of my item and my logo right here. I uploaded my item and I uploaded my logo. As you can see, it gave me custom packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and click download right here. Click save. I'm gonna go back into my store. Click the add button right here. Add media. I'm gonna go ahead and add my logo right here, or add my packaging, sorry. As you can see, it's currently adding. So it seems like we're a premium brand now. And go ahead and click done. As you can see, everything's already looking pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and click preview. Now, as you can see, it looks pretty good already. This is our product right here. This is basically my pillow with the packaging. Now, if you wanna go ahead and replace the logo, go back into your store builder, go ahead and click theme settings right here, click logo, click change, select from library, add images, and go ahead and upload the logo that you had from ChatGPT. So I already added it right here, Cloudora, that is my logo. And once you're done, click done. It's gonna show your logo up there, but it's gonna be too small. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it really big, like 200 pixels right here. And once you make it 200 pixels, it's gonna be too big. As you can see, there's a lot of white space right here. So click edit image, go ahead and click crop and transform and move this image a lot smaller like this. Actually, before you do that, go ahead and click freeform right here. So you can do it however you like. I'm gonna go ahead and delete all the white space as you saw before. As you can see, this is pretty much what I'm doing. Click enter or click apply right here. And click save. And once you're done with that, you want to click back right here. And it looks really good now because obviously all the white space is gone. You can even make it bigger if you'd like to, 270. It looks really good with our logo now. Now click save. Now it's already starting to look pretty good, but like I said, all these images need to be changed out. And the first things right here, all these images right here are using our competitors' logos. So what you want to do is click the section over here. Now go all the way to the left side. It says image, image, image. I'm going to delete all of them right here because I don't need them. And then you want to go ahead and click add a block. Add a video, go ahead and click add a block again, add a video again, add another block, add a video. Now we have 3 videos, and you're probably wondering how you're gonna get videos when all you have are images. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do that right now. So I went back to ChatGPT. I said, identify the photography style of this photo. As you can see, it's just a picture of this grandma right here using the product. But basically, I wrote, yes, different model, professional photo shoot with this product. And as you can see, it made another model holding the product. And I basically kept saying different model, different model, different model. So once you have 3 different models, you want to go ahead and click save on all of them. So click save, click download right here. And once you save them, you're going to make them into actual videos. So how you want to do that is go to Sora. So this is basically Sora or ChatGPT. There should be a link down below, but it basically makes my images into videos. So as you can see right here, all I did is click videos right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I did it just one time. So click upload right here, upload from device. I'm gonna go ahead and upload my ChatGPT photo of a random person that doesn't exist, but they're using our product. And all you have to do is click video right here as a type and click person is showing off their pillow. Write any action you want. Obviously, make it super simple. Person showing off their pillow. You want to go ahead and click this and put 9:16. And then you want to go ahead and click upload. If you don't know what to upload, you can go ahead and click storyboard and tell ChatGPT to make a video for you. But once you do that, the results are going to look something like this. As you can see, here are the results. It's this person right here and they're showing off the pillow. It looks really, really good. And we're basically going to go ahead and download that. So click this. Click download. Now do this a few more times and download all the videos. There should be 3 videos and we're going to go ahead and use them. So like I said, the 3 model photos they downloaded before, upload them now and make them into videos. So once you're done with that, go back to Shopify, click video right here, click select, go ahead and click upload video. I'm going to upload the videos that I just got from ChatGPT or Sora. So go ahead and double click here. Click add videos. I'm gonna add all of them so it's easy for me to go ahead and select later on. So as you can see, I uploaded 3 videos. I'm gonna choose the first one here, click done. And the second video on the left side, click video again. Go back to the right side, click video. Upload the second video, click done. This video right here, click select as well. Click on the third person, click done. As you can see, now we have 3 different videos all made from AI. These people don't exist. This person right here is not actually moving the product. It's all generated by AI. And it seems like we have a bunch of customers that are actually using our products. And this looks really, really good. So going to our next section right here, as you can see, it says personalized support, versatile design, enhanced airflow. As you can see, the pictures don't really match up because our competitor obviously didn't account for this one. But what we could do is go to ChatGPT right here. And as you can see, I said, can you identify the style of photography used? Is my competitor's image. And like I said, it's gonna go ahead and ask me, would you like to create a similar product image using the style? I said yes, using this logo and product for the feature personalized support. So I upload the product and the logo right here, and it made me a personalized support image, which looks really good. And the next image I put is versatile design. And go ahead and keep doing that for every single feature that you have. But I'm gonna go ahead and download these two first. Click download, click download. All right, now going back to my store, I'm gonna go ahead and click personalized support, click change right here, select from library, and upload the ChatGPT images from my computer. All right, as you can see, it's uploaded, click done. Go ahead and click versatile design now. Change, select from library, add images. I'm gonna upload that as well. And the last one I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click showcase right here, change, select from library, add image. Go ahead and add that as well. Click done. All right, it's pretty much done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and click mobile right here so you can see better on what I basically just did. I'm gonna click deactivate inspectors to show you personalized support, versatile design, enhanced airflow. It's basically a bunch of images that matches up with what the feature is. And it's our own images. It's by ChatGPT. It's not using competitor images at all, but it's gonna go ahead and mimic the design a little bit, and that's completely fine. Now scrolling down here, we have a before and after slider. This one's pretty simple. You want to go to ChatGPT again. I upload my competitor's image right here. I said identify the photography style of this photo. So I went ahead and did that. And I told it to go ahead and put yes, different model with my product featuring the before and after slider. So as you can see right here, this is the image that came out. I'm gonna click download right here, click save. And as you can see, this is the image I'm gonna go ahead and use from a before and after slider. So go back to before and after slider, click here, click the before image, change this image up right here, click add images. Once you're done uploading, click done, click this, click change again, select from library, add images as well. All right, and once that's done, click done again. As you can see, the before and after slider, it works. As you can see, go ahead and scroll down. Now this thing over here, sleep transformations that matter. Instead of going ahead and using more images, AI images, we're gonna go ahead and find real customers that have used this product before, and we're gonna go ahead and use that and find it on TikTok. So I'm gonna show you right now how you can go ahead and download testimonials from TikTok. So I am now on TikTok to find testimonials for the product. Go ahead and search the product up, click here. The product is actually called Contour Pillow according to AliExpress. So go ahead and search that up. As you can see, a bunch of videos here already. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and find some videos, some testimonials of people talking about it, like this one right here, and we're gonna go ahead and download it. Now, in order for us to download it, we're gonna use a software called Snaptik. There should be a link down below, but this lets us download TikTok videos without the watermark. So for example, this video right here is a testimonial.
Contour Pillow is finally back in stock, and this new and improved version is about 50% thicker than the older one.
All right, there you go. So in order to download this video for a testimonial, you wanna go ahead and click here, copy this, go to Snaptik, close out the ad, right click here, paste, click download, and we should be able to go ahead and download all the videos. I preferably go ahead and download this one right here, and then go ahead and click save. Now I'm gonna go ahead and find like 3 or 4 more videos. So I'm gonna click X right here, scroll all the way down, find 3 or 4 more, and once I download them, I'm gonna show you how to upload them on Shopify. So I find a few more videos, as you can see right here. All these videos should be like testimonials for your product. This person's talking really good about this product right here as well, and this person's talking really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and download all of these videos and then upload it to my Shopify account. So go back to Snaptik, click download more videos, paste it onto here, the link, go ahead and click download again. And then once you do that, you click download again, and I'll do this 3 to 4 more times, and I'll go ahead and see you back on the Shopify store. All right, I just finished downloading all the videos. We're gonna go ahead and replace all of these right here. So go ahead and click on this section right here. Go ahead and go over here. As you can see, there's image 1, image 2, image 3, and image 4. We're gonna go ahead and change all of those out by just uploading our video. So go ahead and click select right here, add videos. I'm gonna go ahead and upload the videos that I have from TikTok right here. All right, while this video is processing, I'm gonna go ahead and add all the videos that I had downloaded. So I'm gonna upload this one as well. I'm gonna upload every single one that I downloaded, so all to go ahead and process at the same time. And once those are done, we're gonna go ahead and upload them into our website. All right, all the videos are now done processing. So the first one's here, click done. Go ahead and click video 2, click done. Click video 3, click done. And the last one, video 4, click done. And now as you can see, we have a bunch of testimonials. If you click save right here, it's gonna go ahead and scroll through all these testimonials. And when someone clicks on it,
I hate that I was scammed into buying this pillow.
they can go ahead and watch the testimonials, which is great. Now, the last few sections we have right here, what our happy customers say. Now, as you can see, there's no photos of our customers. We're gonna go ahead and fix that really quickly by using ChatGPT once again. So we're on ChatGPT, and I basically uploaded a picture of my competitor's customer, as you can see right here. I told it to identify the photography style of this image, which it did exactly. And scrolling down, I went ahead and just told it to go ahead and remake it. I said, yes, create a different model with my product, and scrolling down, so you can see right here, and made another model with my product. Scrolling down again, I said the same thing, different model, entirely different environment, and a different pose. And as you can see, it made another model right here. Scrolling down, different model, entirely different environment, different pose. So we're gonna go ahead and download all of these right here because all these people are our testimonial peoples. So click download right here, scroll up, click download right here as well. And once you do that, go back to your Shopify store, click Sarah right here, click image, upload them right here. So this girl looks like a Sarah to me. Go ahead and double click here. Once it's done uploading, click done. So over here is James. I'm gonna click select right here, add images. I'm gonna add James as well. So this is my boy James right here. Double click here. Once it's done uploading, click done. And last person is Emily. Go ahead and add images. I'm gonna add my boy Emily right here, or my girl, and go ahead and click done. All right, now as you can see, now we have happy customers. We have Sarah, James, and Emily from Texas, California, New York. All these people does not exist, but it looks like a genuine picture of all of them holding our product. Now, go ahead and scroll down here. There's not much to change right here. If you want to change the competitor's name to something else, you could, but I personally would just go ahead and leave it. The last thing right here is invest in your comfort today. I'm gonna go ahead and remake this photo right here using ChatGPT. So going back to our competitor's website, if you scroll all the way down, this is the actual picture that they're using for their CTA. It says try slumber free for 60 days with 2 people right here. Like they're inviting you to try the slumber. So I went ahead and went to ChatGPT, as you can see right here. I said, can you identify the photography style of this photo as always? And it said yes. So I went ahead and said yes, different models, different environment with my products. I uploaded a picture of my product as well. And it gave me 2 handsome and pretty looking girls to go ahead and invite them to the product. Now there's one thing here, the product looks kind of weird. So you would go ahead and recreate this image and say, hey, can you recreate it with my product in a more distinct way? But for the sake of tutorial, I'm not gonna go ahead and do that. Go ahead and click download. So once we have this right here, click this right here, click change, select from library, add images, and we're gonna go ahead and upload the ChatGPT image that I just generated of 2 people inviting us to go ahead and try their product. Click done, and that's pretty much it. We're pretty much done with the website. There's still a few things we have to go ahead and do, but I go ahead and click mobile, turn off inspector. As you can see, it looks really, really branded. It looks like we're a legit company, Cloudora with Cloudora packaging, as you can see right here. Scrolling down, we have a bundle, $79, $142 for 2, or 3 of them was only $200 with a shipping discount. Scrolling down, we have another video, 3 videos, all made by AI. These people don't exist, and they're actually animated, so it looks like real people are using our products. Like I said, they don't exist. Scrolling down here, we have some images for you, personalized support, versatile design, enhanced airflow. Scrolling down here, we have a before and after slider. Before, this girl is cranky, and after, this girl is no longer cranky, and she's getting great sleep. Scrolling down, we have testimonials from people, as you can see, sleep transformations that actually matter. And we have a bunch of testimonials right here, all from TikTok. Scrolling down again, happy customers. These are professional photo shoots of these customers, obviously made by AI once again. And scrolling down here, we have 2 people inviting us to go ahead and invest in your comfort today. Like I said, we have a few more things to go ahead and fix with the website before we can actually go ahead and launch this website on Facebook ads. By the way, if you're interested in working with me one-on-one to help you get results like one of the stores you just saw in the beginning, because to help people, even complete beginners, hit their first 1K day, 5K day, 10K day, and even more, I help them find their first winning product, create their brand in Shopify store, and I'll even help you run your ads. So we have a student right here that's been able to do 100K a month with my mentorship at 30% profit margin. We have another student that just started and they're doing 4 to 6K a day in revenue. And we have another student that has done 40K in a single day. So if you want results just like that and you want my help one-on-one, make sure to go to the link down below and book a call with me. All right, the next thing we have to go ahead and change is the catalog button right here. You don't want customers. Since we're running a 1 product store, we don't really need a catalog. Go ahead and click search up here, search navigation, and something called menus should show up. So click menus right here. And once you do that, you want to click main menu, and then you want to go ahead and change the catalog out. Click delete, click remove, click add menu item, click shop now, and then go ahead and click this, choose products, and then choose a product that you went ahead and just made. For us, it's the Cloudora Pillow 2.0, and you want to move this all the way up between home and contact. Go ahead and click save. Let's go ahead and take a look at the website now. By the way, it actually does take like 1 or 2 minutes for it to update. So we'll wait for it to update and I'll go ahead and show you guys exactly what I mean. As you can see right now, it still says catalog. Oh, it just updated. So let's click home again. You can click shop now and it'll go straight to your product page. So people don't have to click catalog and then go into your product page. All right, so once you're done with that, you want to go back to Shopify admin page, click settings in the bottom left, go into payments right here and set up Shopify payments. This is going to be the way that you're going to be able to go ahead and collect payments from your customers and the money goes straight into your bank account. So go ahead and click complete account setup. Now I also recommend you to go ahead and click here and disable PayPal and deactivate it, because honestly, I personally don't think PayPal is such a big deal and they're used to holding your money. So I would go ahead and deactivate it when it comes to launching your store. Like I said, remember to go ahead and complete Shopify payments. Go ahead and click complete account setup. Go do the instructions right here. And once you're done, then you go ahead and start collecting payments for your store. Now, once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and click markets right here and actually add some more markets. By default, it already has the United States, but for us, we want to click create market. We're also going to go ahead and add Canada and Australia. Now you can add whatever markets you want. I personally just advertise to the US, Canada, and Australia in the beginning. Some people do UK, some people do EU, some people do worldwide. I personally only advertise to the top 3 markets, which is going to be US, Canada, and Australia. So I'm going to go ahead and add it now. Click search and filter right here, Canada, click here, Australia, click here, go ahead and click the add market. So you can go ahead and add these 2 markets. All right, once you're done adding the markets, you want to set up your shipping settings as well. So go ahead and go to the left right here. Go ahead and click shipping and delivery right here. And as you can see, they already went ahead and set up some stuff for you. We're gonna go ahead and delete it. So click this button right here, click delete. And then you wanna go ahead and click add shipping zone. Go ahead and check off United States. Click here, click done. You wanna change the custom right here. Custom rate name, I'm gonna do free shipping. And then the price is gonna be $0. Click done. Now shipping to you is going to be free. And you want to go ahead and set up a shipping zone for Canada and Australia as well. So you want to go ahead and delete the international zone right here. So you want to go ahead and click here, click edit zone, add Canada, and go ahead and add Australia as well, and click done. And now you can go ahead and click save. Now you can go ahead and ship to US, Canada, and Australia and collect payments from all 3 countries. All right, the next thing you want to do is set up your legal pages. So go back to launch your store. Remember the first thing we set up in the beginning is called launch your store. Let's go ahead and click getting started right here. Add legal pages. The store name is going to be Cloudora. And then go ahead and click the contact email. And once you're done with that, you want to click create legal pages. As you can see, it is now completed. The last thing you want to do is go ahead and publish your store. So if you want to go ahead and do that, just click it here, get started. And in order for you to go ahead and publish your store, you have to add a store address. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quickly. All right, I just finished adding my address. Now you can go ahead and click this button right here, click save, and now you're completely done with your store. You can actually go ahead and advertise it now. Anyone that goes to your website, as you can see right here, it's going to be shown the homepage. They can click shop now, and you can go ahead and show them the entire website, your branded Shopify dropshipping website. And we did all of that in around 15 to 20 minutes. All right, after your store is done, you need to go ahead and make ad creatives in order to convince other people on ad platforms to go ahead and buy your product. So for example, I already searched up Contour Pillow on TikTok. I want to go ahead and make the script first before I make the creative. And in order to make the script, I'm gonna go ahead and find a video of someone that uses the product a lot and show a lot of emotion. So for example, I see this person right here. I wanna go ahead and click on it.
The viral pillow is back in stock, y'all. Now, let me just tell you, they have upgraded this pillow. It is 50% more thicker and firm. And it's memory foam, y'all.
All right, this ad is not bad, but there's not really that many convincing points. She's just saying like, hey, it's thicker, it's back. So this is already an advertisement for someone that already knows what the pillow is. We want to go ahead and target people that have no idea what our pillow is. So click X right here. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and find somebody that uses the pillow that knows exactly how to sell it. So find this person right here.
So excited, I finally got my ergonomic pillow. This pillow will have your spine in check so you can sleep better and move easier. So basically, I really want to compare a normal pillow with this Contour pillow. Last night, I had the best sleep I had in.
All right, this is a really good ad. As you can see, way better than the other one. It's way more convincing. She's telling you what kind of benefits there are, all that good stuff. So we're going to go ahead and use this ad right here. Going to go ahead and download it. So copy this video. And just like before, we're using SnapTix, so go ahead and paste it into here and download this ad video. We're going to download it not to use it, but to go ahead and use their script to go ahead and come up with more scripts. So we want to go ahead and download this really quickly. Just download the MP4 file, click save. And now we're going to go ahead and use CapCut. If you don't know what CapCut is, there should be a link down below. But CapCut is made by TikTok. It's a video editor online and it's free. So what you want to do is click create new on CapCut. Go ahead and click 9:16 and then go ahead and just upload the video that you just downloaded into CapCut. So this is the video we just downloaded to CapCut. Now I downloaded MP3 for a reason because we only care about the voice. I don't want to use that specific video for anything. So next thing you want to do is click captions right here, click auto captions, click generate. Now we have all of our captions right here, but what you really want to do is export captions and download a TXT file. Now once you download a TXT file, you want to go to ChatGPT, copy and paste whatever's in the file over here. This is the script that they went ahead and used, and this is the actual script. And you want to go ahead and prompt it, rewrite this script using my product. So as you can see right here, I wrote rewrite the script using my product, and that's how we're gonna go ahead and get our script. Now the website I'm gonna use next is called Bands Off Ads, and Bands Off Ads is basically a professional company that can go ahead and make ad creatives for you, but they also have some tools right here that you can go ahead and do it for yourself. So for example, this is the script that ChatGPT gave us. So we're gonna go ahead and click next right here, and then you go ahead and choose any of these AI actors you want. We're gonna go ahead and choose Christy 6, this is my favorite right here.
Hey there, welcome to Bands Off Ads. I'm one of the AI actors you can use for your ads.
All right, once you're done with that, go ahead and click next right here. And once it's done generating, it should take like 5 to 10 minutes. It should look something like this right here.
All right, listen up. If you've been tossing and turning all night, waking up with a stiff neck, it's probably your pillow. That was me a few weeks ago. But then I switched to the Snooze Cloud Contour Pillow. And let me tell you how life-changing this is.
That already sounds and looks pretty good. It looks like a real person. By the way, if you think it's AI, it looks like AI, trust me, 99% of people out there are not gonna notice. I ran a bunch of ads that look like this, and no one ever comments this is AI. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this video right here, click download. And like I said, if you don't know what Bands Off Ads is, go to the link down below. They actually go ahead and help you make creative videos. So if you don't wanna do the work yourself, as you can see, I ordered an AI UGC TikTok split testing package. Let's go ahead and watch one of their videos now.
So I thought all pillows were the same until I tried the Snooze Cloud Contour Pillow. I didn't realize how much neck pain I was dealing with until it stopped. The memory foam feels soft but supportive, and I've noticed I toss and turn.
There you go. So you want a professional solution where you don't have to do any of the work yourself, make sure to check Bands Off Ads down below. But we're gonna go back to CapCut right here, and we're gonna go ahead and import the AI video that went ahead and just downloaded. And once it's uploaded, the next thing you want to do is actually find B-roll footage of what the script is saying. So for example, when we play the video.
All right, listen up. If you've been tossing and turning all night, waking up with a stiff neck.
When she says tossing and turning all night, we're going to want to go ahead and find some B-roll of someone tossing and turning in their sleep. And I actually found somebody on TikTok that's tossing and turning. So for example, a B-roll footage like this. So all you want to do is go ahead and download this video right here and use it for yourself. Now we're gonna go ahead and download a bunch of B-roll that basically matches up with the script. And I'll go ahead and show you guys the final result in just 2 seconds. All right, I basically matched up the B-roll with the AI UGC creator, and we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the final result right now.
All right, listen up. If you've been tossing and turning all night, waking up with a stiff neck, it's probably your pillow. That was me a few weeks ago. But then I switched to the Snooze Cloud Contour Pillow, and let me tell you how life-changing this is. It has these amazing built-in arm spots. Perfect if you're a side sleeper or love hugging your pillow like I do. It seriously saves your shoulders. And if your boyfriend snores like mine, this pillow actually helps him by adjusting his head position. So it stops him for snoring. The memory foam gently supports your neck, no awkward positions, and stays cool all night. No more waking up sweaty in the middle of the night. I'm finally getting deeper sleep and waking up energized to go along my day. Over 10,000 other people online swear by this pillow too, so it's not just me. Trust me, get yourself a Snooze Cloud Contour Pillow. You'll never go back.
By the way, if you want to know how to make the AI UGC creator, like the background is gone and make them a little bit smaller, you want to click here, click Smart Tools, click Remove Background, click Auto Removal, and you're going to go ahead and see that the background gets removed off the creator. And you can actually make them even smaller and put them in the bottom right, exactly as what I did for my video. So basically, whenever the AI kind of acts out, it doesn't look really correct, you can put them in the bottom and while showing the B. By the way, in addition to 3 to 4 video ads, I'm also going to go ahead and use some image ads. Now, Bands Off Ads has a package for image ad package. If you're interested, go to the link down below. But as you can see, they also made image ads for us that look really, really good for advertising. So we're going to go ahead and use that. This is a second image ad, and this is going to be the third image ad. So I'm going to go ahead and use 3 videos as well as 3 image ads. I'm going to show you guys how you can go ahead and launch them on Facebook right now. All right, once you have your Shopify store and you have your ad creatives, it's time to advertise on Facebook. Now, if you don't know what this page is, go to the link down below. You have to create a Facebook business manager. So first things first, put in your business name. I'm going to put Cloudora Pillow, put in your name, your business email, and then go ahead and click submit. So once you finish setting up your business manager, you want to go to the top left right here, click this button right here, and then go ahead and click settings. And once you're in your business settings, you want to click add accounts right here and add your first ad account. So go to the top right, click add, create a new ad account. ad account name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it number 1. Go ahead and set your time zone to whatever your time zone is, and then go ahead and click next. This ad account will be used for my business. Go ahead and click next again. Go ahead and check this right here, create ad account. All right, your ad account is now done. Now you want to go ahead and click add payment info and put in your payment information. And once you're done with that, go ahead and click done. The next thing you want to do is actually go back to your Shopify account, because you want to go ahead and connect your Shopify to your Facebook account that you just made. So go ahead and click the top right here, search up Meta. As you can see right here, Facebook and Instagram, click this one right here, click install. Click install again. And once it's installed, you want to go ahead and connect your Facebook account to it. So go ahead and click connect account. Once your account is connected, you want to go ahead and go to ads only and scroll all the way down and click get started down here. And once you're on this page, you want to go ahead and click connect right here. Now we already made one. That's why I said you want to click connect. But if you didn't make one already, you can go ahead and create one now. So click connect. And once you're on this page, I usually choose maximum right here and then click save. And once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and create new meta pixel. So create new and go ahead and click confirm. Go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions, and then go ahead and click submit for review. All right, you're pretty much it. You don't have to worry about the top right here. This is completely irrelevant to us. It's basically Facebook shop. We're not gonna go ahead and use that, but what you wanna do is click create ad right here. And once you click create ad, you wanna make sure to go to the top left and make sure you're on the new business manager and the ad account that you just made in the top left. Make sure you're not on your personal profile. You want to run it on a business manager. And right here, does your business focus on politics? Go ahead and click no. And now we can go ahead and get started and advertise on Facebook. All right, so once you're here, you want to go ahead and start creating your ads. So go ahead and click create right here. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and click auction, go ahead and click sales, click continue down here. And the next thing you want to do is leave it on Advantage Plus shopping campaign. Go ahead and click continue. I'm going to go ahead and rename this to today's date. So 5/12 ASC. And then I'm going to do Cloudora pillow. By the way, this is irrelevant. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to go ahead and name it the dates and the product I'm going to go ahead and launch. Scrolling down here, click website, maximum number of conversions. And right here, it actually says to create a pixel, but we already did that before. So in your business settings, you want to go ahead and click pixels right here under data sources. Click connected assets, click assign assets, and then go ahead and assign it to your ad account that you just created. For me, it was ad account number 1. Go ahead and click add. And once that's done, it should go ahead and appear on the ads. As you can see now, it actually appeared in my ads manager, Cloudora's pixel. So we're good to go. Go ahead and scroll down, click here. You want to choose purchase as your conversion event. Go ahead and scroll down even more. Location inclusions. I personally like to go ahead and advertise in the United States, Canada, and Australia. Go ahead and scroll down here. Daily budget, we're gonna set it to $100, but if you are brand new, it's not gonna let you spend $100, so you can actually go ahead and choose 50, but I do suggest 100 if you're not brand new to dropshipping. The start date, I always go ahead and put the next day, so go ahead and put May 13th, go ahead and put 12 a.m. That's it for this page. Go ahead and click next right here, and now all you have to do is go ahead and upload your ads. So for us, I'm going to go back to Bands Off Ads. I'm going to go ahead and download all the ads that they made for us. So click here, click download. I'm going to download all the ads, including their image ads as well. So once you're on this page, we're going to go ahead and upload our ads. The first ad, we're going to do ad 1. Go ahead and scroll down. We have to create a Facebook page. So we can go ahead and create it from here. Click create page. The page name, and name it Cloudora. Category, I'm just going to go ahead and name it furniture or something like that. It doesn't really matter. And for the profile picture, I'm going to add a profile picture. Once you're done with that, go ahead and click create page, and you should have a Facebook page ready to go. Now, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click create ad, manual upload, single image and video, which is great. So go ahead and click create ad right here. The next thing you want to do is upload your website. Now, a lot of people actually put their home page. I don't suggest that. You actually want to go ahead and copy your product page URL and actually paste it onto here. So this is our product page URL. Scrolling down here, click setup creative, click video ad. And we're going to go ahead and upload all the video ads that I have from Bands Off Ads, as well as the one I made from TikTok. So I'm going to click next, click upload. I'm going to go ahead and actually upload all our ads right now. So once it's uploaded, it's going to ask you your primary text, your headline, your description. The cool thing about Bands Off Ads is it actually go ahead and tell you what to do. So as you can see, this is called a swipe file. It comes with every single Bands Off Ads order. So all I got to do is go ahead and copy this right here. Go back to the Facebook Ads Manager, primary text. Go ahead and paste it here. And as you can see, it's already done for us. And the headline as well. Experience a perfect night's sleep. Copy this. Paste into the headline. The call to action, always make sure it's shop now. Don't choose anything else. Shop now is always up here. And then go ahead and click next. And then go ahead and click done. And you basically just uploaded your first ad and you're basically almost ready to go. By the way, scroll down. Make sure it's shop now over here as well. Sometimes it doesn't actually go ahead and fix it for you. So click shop now down here as well. And your first creative is now uploaded. Now, the next thing you want to do is actually upload the other creative. So click here, click duplicate. Click add 1, scroll all the way up, make sure it's add 2 now, scroll all the way down. You're gonna want to go ahead and click edit media right here, change video, click next, and upload your 6 other videos. Now I'm gonna do that off camera, but just basically the same steps over and over again. All right, I just finished uploading add 2. Now go ahead and upload add 3, click duplicate again, scroll all the way back up, change this to ad 3, scroll all the way back down, go ahead and click edit right here, click change video, click next, and basically upload the video again. All right, I uploaded my 3 video ads. Now it's time to upload my 3 image ads. Same concept, click this right here, quickly duplicate, scroll all the way back up. I'm gonna name this ad 1 image so I know it's an image ad. We're gonna go ahead and scroll all the way back down, click the garbage can icon now, and then click add media and then add image. So it's not gonna be a video again. So you wanna go ahead and upload images now. All right, once you have all your videos and images uploaded like I do right here, as you can see the top left, all you need to do is go ahead and click publish and then wait for your ads to go ahead and start spending, and you can go ahead and see what the results are. Then you need to focus on scaling it, killing it, or other things you can do to go ahead and optimize your funnel. By the way, I have a private Discord community down below where I chat with my members every single day. And inside the community, you'll be able to chat with other members, attend weekly live trainings with me, as well as ask me questions every single day. And you'll be able to see a full case study store of mine where I show you the product, I show you my website, I show you the creatives, I even show you my ads manager, scaling all the way to 0 to 100K revenue. So if you want to join my private community, make sure you go to the link down below and I'll see you guys there. But anyway, you can see my screen right now. This is my ads manager for one of my stores that was able to scale from 0 to 10K a day in just a few days. The same strategy that I just did in front of you guys using the same type of creatives. As you can see, the first day was not too hot. I spent $100 to get back 89 ROAS or 0.89 ROAS because I only got $89 back in sales, which is not too good. A lot of people would kill it at this point, but I didn't because honestly, I didn't lose $100 yet. And that's always how much I want to lose before we move on to the next product. And right here, I didn't lose $100. You know, I spent 100 and made back 90. I lost $10 in ads, but I also lost around like $20 in fulfilling the products. So it wasn't too bad. As you can see, the next day I spent $100. And guess what? Now we made back $289 in sales, which means we're at a 2.9 ROAS, and the break-even ROAS for this product was 1.2. So if I was at 1.2 ROAS, I'll be breaking even, and anything above 1.2, I was profitable. So $100 spent, I got $300 back in sales the second day. So this is the third day. I basically bumped the budget up from $100 to $200 now. So anytime something is profitable by 2 ROAS or plus, I will go ahead and double the budget. And I went ahead and launched some new creatives and a new campaign as well. So this campaign right here was the original ASE campaign, and this is a new creative testing campaign. As you can see, it did not do too hot. I spent $100 and only got back 0.5 ROAS, but that's fine because the total ROAS for that day was still 1.9. I spent $308 to get back $600 almost, so we were still profitable for the day. So that means we'll go ahead and double the ad spend for this campaign again. So for the very next day, as you can see, my original ASE campaign, the one that I set up, is at $500 now. So I went from 100 to 200 to 500, and it's still pretty profitable. It's at 2.27 ROAS. I spent $500 back to get back $1,172, which is great. And the second campaign that I launched yesterday, I left on because, like I said, I didn't lose $100 yet. So I left it on, and it didn't do too bad at 1.51 ROAS. So we were still profitable for that because our break-even ROAS was 1.2. As you can see, $100 spent. I got back $157, so we're still profitable. Unfortunately, though, my third creative, as you can see right here, for the third campaign, I launched another creative. I didn't do too hot. I spent $30, got no sales. I went ahead and just turned it off because the CPC was way too high. $14, that means I'm spending $14 every click to my website. And if you do the math, if I spend $100, I only get like 6 clicks. So it's very unlikely that I'll get a sale within those 6 clicks. So the next day, as you can see right here, I went up to $1,000. Today wasn't too hot. As you can see, 1.56 ROAS, which is completely fine. When you're scaling up, it's never profitable, but actually 1.56 is still profitable for us. It's just not the 2+ ROAS I was looking for. But campaign number 1 at $1,000, because I doubled it from 500 to 1K. And these 3 campaigns are basically testing new creatives right now, and they're still doing good. As you can see, 3 ROAS right here. This one's a little bit above break even, so we're good. This one's a little bit under break even, but like I said, this campaign hasn't lost $100 yet, so we keep on continuing. And these 3 new campaigns are all new creatives that I went ahead and kept making, because once you have something that's profitable, you want to go ahead and keep adding new creatives and new variations. So the next day, as you can see, this campaign right here, I did not touch it. I left it at $1,000, and it did pretty well at 1.91 ROAS. The other 3 campaigns, not too hot, 1 ROAS, 0.75, and basically 0 ROAS for this campaign right here. But since this campaign right here did really well at 1K spend and 2 ROAS, I went ahead and doubled the budget again for the next day. As you can see, now we're spending $2,000 and the ROAS is 2.81, which means we spent $2,000 to get back almost $6,000 in sales. And the second campaign right here, we raised it from 100 to 250. We got 3 ROAS, you can see. So basically we spent $300 to get back $800, and this one didn't do too hot, but it was just a testing campaign, so it doesn't really matter. All right, and this is the final day, the day that I hit 10K day in sales, actually 13K in sales, as you can see right here. But yeah, I literally doubled the budget from $2,000 to $5,000 a day in spend, as you can see. $5,000 spent, and we got back $10,000, and we spent 1K here, we got back 2,000, and these two are just testing campaigns, but they didn't do too hot. But at the end of the day, we spent $6,800 and got back 13.7K, and literally only took us 4 to 5 days to go from $0 all the way to 10K a day. So that's how easy it is with one campaign. As long as your creative is good, your product, your website, your offer, if all those things are good, the media buying doesn't have to be the craziest thing ever. You just saw it live right here. I just doubled budgets, and that's pretty much it. But that's how I speed run a Shopify store from 0 to 10K a day live in front of you guys. If you want to go ahead and make sure to book a call with me down below to get my help one-on-one to get results like this, make sure to go right here. I have students that have gotten 5K a day, 10K a day, even 40 to 60K a day. And if you want to learn more from me, there's a video about how I manage my Facebook ads right here.